PAXI Hub, ladies and gentlemen, this project has already listed and people who farmed it at the airdrop stage are smiling to the bank. But that's not all. You can still join it, right? And there are other ways to earn as well. So let's get the Google Play link. Let's install. So about this app page says is the official decentralized wallet for the PAXI blockchain, giving you full control over your assets and on-chain governance in one sleek app. Key features: instantly send and receive PAXI and PRC20 tokens, view complete transaction history, delegate your tokens, and so on and so forth. So download is complete. Let's launch it. Let's create a wallet since we are new here. So you choose, do you want 12 word mnemonic phrase or do you want 24? It's a choice you should make. You'll be shown your seed phrase, so you are advised to write it down and keep it very safe, right? So we're here, PAXI Wallet. I have absolutely nothing. So let's explore. PAXI network. What does this do? Osmosis, Nabu, Cosmos. All right, so this is supposed to be my asset. I have no asset on this platform whatsoever. So how do we earn? Let's click on delegate. I haven't delegated nothing. Let's click on dashboard. So the block high circulating supply validator nodes. Total account 446,349. Let's click on Golf here. So this is where people with governance tokens can vote. Click on explore. You find the blockchain explorer here and the PAXI airdrop is here. Tap on it. You need to submit and claim some newbie reward, right? Your address is there. Claim the new user reward. Please enter your invitation code and phone number to verify. So I believe in my invite code, right? Get my invite code, you input it here. You enter your email address and get the verification code, input it here, and click on submit and claim newbie reward. Note, we will combine your country code and phone number. Please ensure the number can receive SMS. To prevent abuse, there's a countdown after sending the code. You cannot resend during the countdown. Alright. After providing your email address and solving the captcha, it says you should go check your email, and if you don't find it in your primary email, you should check the spam folder. Alright, so as for me, it's in the primary folder, so I get the code. It expires in 10 minutes, by the way. So you input the code there, you click on submit and claim newbie reward. To prevent bots from using the airdrop, we've copied a new link for you. Please paste it into an external Google Chrome and complete the face verification to claim your reward. After tapping start liveness check, the page will request camera permission and guide you through motion challenges. The system will immediately delete your image after completing the verification and will not retain it. If you have concerns about privacy, please do not use this feature. If the check fails, please return to the app and request a new verification link. So you click on the start liveness check here. So the liveness test is very user friendly. They will open your front camera and you are to look into it. All the instructions are there. They'll be telling you to move closer to your camera, keep your head up right and stuff, and it's actually very easy. I've successfully passed the verification, as you can see. After the verification, you see a pop-up where you can click and go back to the airdrop page. You can as well just go back to the airdrop page and refresh it, and you see this verified status, and then you see the claim today reward. So you click on it, you solve a captcha, and you claim your reward for the day. Here you also have your invite code as well as a customized message that you can copy and use it to invite people. Right, so on my wallet and under my assets, it says I have received this 0.1 PAXI, 0.15. I don't know, do we have the details of the description? Timestamp. Okay, I was hoping they would tell us why. Maybe it's for the verification and stuff because I haven't referred anyone yet. And how about the 0.1? No such details, but so far I've just registered and completed the liveness test, so maybe reward is for that. And so far all that I have here is on PAXI network, right? My 0.6 is here, and this is the live price of PAXI, as you can see, 0.02, right? So since the main airdrop event has ended, I guess the only way to earn right now that I know of, though I stand to be corrected, is by referring people, right? So new users can claim free PAXI immediately. What are you waiting for? You miss BTC, so create new wallet, enter this to claim, right? So I believe you my invite link in the pinned comment so you can jump on it, register, and just follow these steps, and it's actually very easy, right? So referral rewards, level 1, you get 1 PAXI. That's for direct referral. So I don't know about the multi levels. Nothing is said about that here, right? So go register, guys. Let me grab 1 PAXI. It's not really something that will buy you a Lambo, but it's honest work. 2 cents, how many PAXIs do you need to have $100? You can do the math, right? So this is it, guys. I do not own this project. This is not financial advice of any kind. As you can see, obviously I'm not buying anything here, right? So if you would consider investing in PAXI, you might want to do more research than just this video, and you're responsible for actions taken after doing that. So thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.